Hi, I'm Daisy. I'm a speech and language therapist and head of the content development team here at Smartbox. Communication boards are printed with words and symbols for a specific location, and they're designed to help anyone with communication difficulties. This could be someone who's not able to talk, someone who has unclear speech, or it could be someone who will benefit from visual support to help them understand what's being said to them. The words on each board have been carefully chosen for each location, and they're designed to help someone communicate for a wide range of reasons. This could be asking questions, asking for something they need or want, or for interacting with other people. There are 5 boards to choose from, and they're designed for medical settings, libraries, parks, school playgrounds, and sensory rooms. By designing these boards for schools and also public areas, we want people to be able to communicate wherever they are. To find out more about our communication boards, just head to our website.